Hi friends, today in this video I'm going to share a beautiful bathroom tiles designs and even I'm going to share the latest price and what are the labor charges for installing and what are the points to consider before you purchase the tiles. So friends, if you're new to my channel then please subscribe to this channel. So let's begin the video. So when we think about designing a beautiful bathrooms, actually most people focus only on sanitary fittings, mirrors or lighting, but the real element that completely transforms the looks and a feel of a bathroom is a beautiful wall tiles. As you can see in this video, bathroom wall tiles are not just for covering walls. Today they have become a major design element which adds a beauty, luxuries and hygiene and also the personality to the space. So whether is your bathroom is a small or large, modern wall tiles can make it look more spacious, premium, stylish and even more relaxing. So actually bathrooms are no longer just considered utility spaces. Today they are designed like a luxury hotel space where comfort and aesthetics both matter. So and wall tiles plays the biggest role in achieving the premium look. Well designed wall tiles can instantly make your bathroom more elegant, more modern, more spacious and visually attractive. Friends, colors and textures directly affect the mood and ambience of a space. So, bathroom wall tiles helps to create different styles such as modern minimalist bathrooms, even contemporary bathrooms. So, tiles are not just about the construction material, but they are a design element that define the personality of your bathroom. Actually, one of the biggest advantages of wall tiles is water resistance. So, bathrooms are the high moisture areas and wall tiles protects walls from water seepage, dampness, paint damage. So without proper tiles, bathroom walls may develop the moisture issues over the time. Good quality tiles create a protective layer that increase the durability and safety. And also wall tiles are very easy to maintain. Just soap stains and watermarks can be cleaned easily with the water or a mild cleaner. So especially glossy tiles are very easy to wipe and maintain. This keeps the bathroom looking fresh and hygienic for years. So friends, now let's discuss about one of the most important point of this video is tiles price. So the actually to understand the total area that how much it will cost for our bathroom, will include the tiles cost plus labor charges. So everything will take an example. So suppose our bathroom wall length is considered approximately 20 running feet of our four walls and the wall height will consider as a 7 feet. So the total area wall area will be 7 into 20 which comes as a 140 square feet. This means we need to install the tiles on total area of 150 square feet. And the most common size of tiles is 12 by 18. So which is in feet it will be like 1.5 feet will be the breadth and 1 feet will be the length. So the area of one tile will be approximate 1.5 square feet. That means one tile covers 1.5 square feet of wall. And one box it contains of 6 tiles. So one box will cover total area will be 9 square feet. So now let's estimate the required number of boxes. For 140 square feet we require approximately 15.5 boxes. because each box will cover 9 square feet area, so we have to divide this 140 divided by 9. The numbers is 15.5 boxes. So in practical site work, extra tiles are always purchased for cutting and wastage, so approximately 16 box will be required. And the actually price for each box, it will cost around 300 rupees per box in our area. Actually the price totally depends upon the location wise and the quality brands, which I'm talking is about the local brands. In some areas there are 250 also, each box will cost you, some areas 350, but in our area is 300 rupees per box. So for 16 box it will cost you around total will be 4800 rupees, and the labor charges in our area is 20 rupees per square feet. So this is also depends upon the location wise, there are some 15 to 18 rupees per square feet, in some areas is 25 rupees also, but in our area is currently the latest price for labor charges is 20 rupees per square feet for installing the bathroom tiles. So for 140 square feet area it will cost you around 2800 rupees. So the tiles cost is 4800, labor cost will be 2800, and adhesive another it will cost you 1000 rupees. So friends, the total price will come around for 140 square feet bathroom walls, it will cost you around 8000 to 8500 rupees. So the approximate total budget for tiling 140 square feet around, it will cost you 8500, depending on the tile quality, labor charges and the site conditions. So friends, if you have any queries regarding to the price or labor charges or designs regarding to the bathroom interior, so you can please ask me in the comment section, or you can contact through my mail id which I given in the description. And there are some important points to consider before you select the tiles. Always check the tile size properly, so always select the tile size according to the wall area. Calculate the exact area before purchasing, so always calculate the total wall area correctly, like wall height into the total length. So as I told you, in our case is 140 square feet. Buy the extra tiles for wastage, so never purchase the exact quantity only, always buy around 5 to 10% extra tiles, because some tiles may break during the cutting, transportation or fitting. Check the tile quality, always inspect the tile quality carefully. Check for surface finishing thickness, crack free finish, and choose a water resistant tiles for bathroom and wet areas, and select the right finish. Glossy tiles reflect more light and make small bathrooms look brighter and bigger. And one of the most important point to remember is match the tiles with the interior theme, and always check the labor charges. Many people only calculate the tile cost and forget the labor charges, so always confirm tile fitting charges per square feet, adhesive cost, grouting charges and transportations. So friends, these were the points to consider, and please, if you have any queries you can ask me in the comment section, or if you want more details, please you can contact through my mail id which I given in the description. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again. We'll see in the next video. Thank you.